Hello, my dear friends. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Press the bell icon on YouTube app and never miss any update. Today, I am going to show you how to do shadow work embroidery. Sketch out your design on the fabric. The design is marked on the back of the fabric because it is easier to work the herringbone stitch there. Make sure that you use a mirror image of the design when doing this work from the back side. Otherwise, you will get a design which is reversed. Shadow work is a type of embroidery worked on sheer or semi-sheer fabric with the bulk of the embroidery on the back of the design so that the color of the thread, or rather a shadow of the color, shows through on the front of the fabric between two solid colored outlines. Check out Handiworks YouTube channel for more tutorials. The stitch used in shadow work embroidery is essentially backstitch, but it is work between two lines, alternating back and forth between the two lines with each stitch. With shadow work, the choice of ground fabric is important. The sheerer the fabric, the more distinctly the shadow shows through. If you want a more vivid color showing through your fabric, choose a sheer fabric like organza, voile, semi-sheer muslin, georgette, sheer silk, or organdy. I hope you use this a tiny stitch in some of your own projects, and I hope to see you soon in my new one, so remember to subscribe. I would like to hear your feedback, and you can leave them under the comment section as well.